I'm Taylor.
I'm Steve.
I'm Andrew.
And I'm Sharon.
Welcome to Atlas Bites and Sights.
Pew!
Hey everybody, welcome to our debut episode.
I'm plant-based Steve, and that was Andrew. And today, we're at the Silos Dayton, built into the side of a grain silo from the 1920s. It's Dayton's coolest hangout spot.
Say what?
Take it away, Taylor.
Inside Silos are 4 unique food vendors and a bar. All the food vendors are inside of 20-foot shipping containers.
All right, I said let's get in there and break it down.
Yeah.
First up, Nude Bar. Asian-inspired noodles, bao buns, and dumplings so good you'll forget you're in Ohio.
Kung Fu Barbecue brings bold flavors from the Philippines, Japan, Mexico, and Hawaii, all with a smoky twist. This is global street food done right.
The Burger Bistro from Cece's Kitchen is flipping the script on your classic burger, comfort food from the serious style.
And then there's Indigo. All plant forward, all gluten free, seasonal salads, burritos, grain bowls, and herbal elixirs that taste as good as they make you feel. Need a drink? There's a bar on site serving specialty cocktails with 18 local beers on tap, wine, and even THC infused and non-alcoholic options.
Thanks, Taylor. Those sound delicious. Now let's try some of these cocktails.
Hi, sightseers. Taylor here, trying a fanny pack from the bar at Silos Dayton. It is grenadine, vodka, lime juice, and Sprite, and it looks red. So I'm gonna try it. It's nothing fancy about it. Oh my goodness, that's very good. You can really taste the Sprite, and I love grenadine, and it has just the right amount of grenadine because too much grenadine can make it too sweet, but this is just the right amount of grenadine. Very delicious. The fanny pack. To the fanny pack.
I got the Silos Shandy. It's whooped wing pilsner, lemonade, April. Drop down in the comments how you pronounce that. There's also some triple sec in there. Let's try this thing. Really good. Not too strong on the alcohol, but not too strong on the sweetness either. It's a well-balanced drink. The lemonade's great, and I want to try that whooped wing pilsner by itself because that tastes pretty good. What'd you get, Andrew?
Glad you asked, Steve. But first, I must ask a question out there to the rest of you. Why am I wearing sunglasses inside? Why did my drink suddenly look less than the rest of them? Good point. Couldn't wait. Okay, what did I get, you ask? Silent boy. Here you go. I got what they call the river surf, which is their play on a Mai Tai. Don't quote me what's on a Mai Tai. I'm not a bartender. But what I can tell you is that it's got pineapple, orange juices, white rum, and a splash of grenadine. Isn't it pretty? Now, I will tell you that it is awfully sweet, and in return, makes me equally as sweet.
All right, I got the Habana Jamma. It has spiced rum, Kahlua, lavender syrup, and lemon juice. All right, stirred it up good. Let's give it a try. Thankfully, it's not too sweet. Can't handle super sweet drinks, but it is pretty good.
All right, I went to Indigo, a plant-forward eatery, and I got the Monster Burrito. Check this thing out. It has some black beans on there, some tofu. Probably can't see it through all the microgreens, but there's also sweet potatoes on there. Let's give this thing a taste, and let's see if it's truly a monster and scares us and sends us running, or we enjoy it and it's delicious. Really good. There's actually a nice char on the tofu, and it's well seasoned. Tofu, love it. But if you don't know how to cook it, it's not good. But they know how to cook this here at Indigo. Sorry to interrupt this handsome young food reviewer. But, see, the thing is about this monster burrito here from Indigo, it's actually called the Mission Burrito.
So you screwed up.
Yeah, I did, but way to interrupt my informative cutaway segment.
Well, that's what you get for stealing my finger gun segment in the intro.
That's fair enough. All right, Past Steve, what did you think of Indigo? So 2 thumbs up, and way to go, Indigo.
And for my stop, I ended up with a plethora of options today. First and foremost, I ended up with a smoothie from the Indigo place that you just seen from Steve. And then I went to a place for my food called Tues. Now, get your mind out of the gutter. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about noodles here. So what we ended up here is the Japanese fried chicken. Take a look at these bad boys right here. Looking yummy, looking scrumptious. You get 3 of those for, I believe, $12. Look at that right there. Get a little nibble. Okay. Got a little honey aioli, some fried chicken in there, wrapped in a nice foul bun, garnished with a little bit of scallion. Okay. And I am a man that loves desserts, so why not? When they offer it, I say, when in Rome, you get it. Okay. So I ended up with a nice chocolate chip cookie dough bao bun. Get a look at that right there. That'll put it on your waist. Oh, yeah. Okay. So, without further ado, I'll take a nice little nibble. Looking dainty. Hands are already messy. Guys, it's embarrassing. It is what it is. Let the... Okay. Now I'm liking the nice flavor from the honey aioli. Gives you a nice little sweet spot there. The bao bun nice and fluffy. Chicken nice and crispy. Talking with my mouth open. That's what you do. I'm gonna often say Japanese fried chicken, 2 thumbs up right there. Now, what's more of these? Let's get a look at this chocolate chip cookies of bao farm right now. The good stuff. The best. Okay. Guys, they're pretty good. I ain't gonna lie. Now, Steve and Sharon cannot eat this. So this is full on Taylor and I. They should be hating us right now. These are pretty good.
We do.
Sharon, keep it to yourself. Overall, nudes from 2 things that I got right now, I'm going to say home run. Delicious. Now, let's wash it down with a nice healthy smoothie, because if you're going to have chocolate chip cookie dough, you got to get a little healthy in there. So what's this one called, Sharon? What was this one called? Okay. She believes it is called the Sunshine Smoothie. Don't quote me on it. Read the menu when we pop it up, all right? Overall, delicious, nice and fruity. You can taste the mango, you taste the pineapple. The spinach gives it a nice, delicious color in there. It's pretty. We love it. Overall, nudes, Indigo, as Steve said, I'll back it up with them. Home run.
All right. I went to Kung Fu Barbecue and I got the smoked brisket birria tacos. They have some cheese on them and it comes with the dipping sauce. I believe it is pronounced consomme. Consomme. It comes with the consomme. And they look delicious. This is the tacos. All right. And it comes with a little lime wedge so Daryl can. So let's give them a try. Sorry, I'm not nearly as charismatic as Andrew.
You're killed.
They're delicious. Nice smoky flavor. I'd definitely get those again.
And I also went to Kung Fu Barbecue, and I got the Korean drumsticks, and I'm gonna have to read this off of my receipt. Drunken truffle hog mac and cheese. That was a mouthful. So let me open it up. It smells delicious. And this is a lot of food, so please don't judge me. Let me try to get it up in the camera there. So I got the drumsticks over here. I got 3 big drumsticks, and then I got the mac and cheese over here, and then some kind of sauce that I'm not really sure about, but I'm going to give it a try, whatever it is. Whatever it is hot because the lid is kind of exploded. So first I'm going to try the mac and cheese. That's good mac and cheese. Some dang good mac and cheese. It's got little bits of bacon in there that are really good. And then I really like I don't know what this pasta is called that is like spiral, but it's really good. Very creamy too. I love it. Now to eat these messy drumsticks that have, I think, like sesame seeds all over them. Those are messy. They're also freaking delicious. They're a little spicy. I'm not going to give you thumbs up, even though I'm giving thumbs up. Out of 10 chomps, I'm going to give this 9 chomps. That's how good it is. And then I'm going to try this sauce real quick. Oh, I think that's just more of the sauce that's already on the chicken. So I really like it. The chicken is a little spicy, but it has a great flavor, super juicy. They're huge. I think I paid $18 for all of this, so that wasn't bad. This is a lot of freaking food. So no thumbs up. Just 8, 9 chomps. Well, that is the end of our Silos adventure. Steve, why don't you tell the viewers at home what you liked most about Silos?
I like the vibe. The vibe is just super chill. Like, it's a great place if you're going to come on a date night or if you want to bring your kids here. They have a wide variety of foods for multiple dietary restrictions and some good tasting cocktails and some good times.
All right. Now let's move on to Andrew. Let's give him the mic, Steve.
Should I just hold it like this?
I guess.
Because it gives me something to do with my hands, not like Ricky Bobby. I like that right there. Shake and bake. Fix it in post. Well, I will give you my rundown. I, too, also think it's a great vibe, great date night vibe. If you want to go like here at night, got cute little lights, nice little gazebos. The drinks were lovely. Some of them sweet, some of them not. So you got a nice mixture. Definitely like the vibe of the local breweries incorporated there. Give you some nice Buckeye State pride right there. And overall, it's also a nice place for to bring your family. Steve has neglected to mention feather bowling several times, but feather bowling over there, what is it? I say look it up. I was only told about this just a couple days ago. What is feather bowling? I'm not sure either. I'm hearing it's a mixture between curling and bocce, and since I've never played it, I'm pretty sure I'm awesome at it.
Let us know if you'd like us to do a future video where we try feather bowling and maybe we bet on it. Winner gets something. We'll also explain the rules in detail. All right, Sharon, let's get your thoughts.
I think it's a very cozy feeling here. I agree that it would be beautiful out here at night. I'm a big fan of just these kinds of lights. I think it's a nice, cozy atmosphere. I think the food was delicious. I agree, it's very dietary friendly, and the drinks were good. I would definitely come back. Taylor, what's your thoughts?
I really like to hear. I like the outdoor and the indoor aspect to it. I think the outdoor is really cool, especially I can imagine it being really nice like during the fall time when it's a lot cooler outside. The food was fantastic. I really enjoyed my food, and there's a lot more food that I'd like to try. I would definitely come back here again. So I think Andrew wants to say something, so I'm going to flip back around to him. What is it you had to say?
I have a lot of things to say. First and foremost, I believe that drink that we just showed a couple of clips ago has really kicked in, and now my artistic side is really starting to burst, okay? Comment below if you want to see Steve and his animalistic chest hair popping out of his shirt in future videos.
Or we save that for the OnlyFans. I don't know. Well, if you like this video, and if you like this train wreck of an ending, give us a like and a subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. It has pickleball. It doesn't have pickleball. What the fuck? Go ahead.
Pickleball.
Well, I started vibing on something and then I forgot what I was going to say.
Feather bowling.
Featherball. Yeah.
No, not feather ball, feather bowling.
I'm not going to talk about
feather
that.
bowling.
I'm not going to. She tried to like get me to come here like with my like full chest hair out today.
It looked good.
Yes, it was like, no, we're not doing that. It's not a 1970. Not a 1970 porn.
It's coming back.
Shoot.
I'm bringing it back. Well, I'm not bringing it back, but I'm making Steve bring it back.